Hey everybody, Proud Mojo over here. If you're working the 9 to 5, getting in there on the grind, Mojo's been done for the day. Got to wrap up the show today. It's Friday, May 27th, the Mojo Live show about what we did trading in the stock market today with the rest of the Mojo Day Trading team in the room right here. We have a couple free guys down here on the bottom that are still here from earlier. Welcome, guys. Some guys were here earlier. And on the free days, here's my message to you all. Check it out because you guys weren't here earlier. Definitely read about new traders. Don't really trade, learn the methodology and so forth. Okay, just a message. Where is it? Ding ding. We had night. We were up real early this morning. Let's see what we got. Free invites. I could see how many times you've been here in the past. The server logs show many times that you've been here. It's not cool to keep on coming back for free days and never joining the room and being a subscriber. If you're not going to join in the last 3 or 4 times, you're probably not going to join this time. So it goes according to your IP address. So changing your name won't work. I did this earlier, like Richard Yu. You've been here one time. You're from British Columbia. Welcome, partner. How's the weather in British Columbia? Pat Dizzle. You've been here one time. You're from Neepan, Ontario. Welcome. How's the weather in Ontario? And then Joe P. You've been here once. You're from New Jersey. How's it going? And then Anthony K. You've been here once. You're from British Vancouver. How's it going? How's the weather there? And I'm chatting with you. What other day moderator would chat with you like that? And no, we're not buying anything back. We're done for the day. What I did was RLYP. I did a bump trade for myself and the demos. Who did I do that demo? Demo 9, 11, and 13. Do a little type. What happened? While I'm doing the poll and everything and showing everybody what we made in the room today. Eric or one of you other guys that I just saved. What happened? What I did for you, what happened, what the end result was. Thank you. And then we have goals right here. 16 people made between $1 to $500 at 10:30 this morning. $500 to $1,000, 3 folks. One trader hit 2 to 5,000. I wonder who that was. Yep. And 3 people lost on paper, but I just turned that around. And observing and watching 17. That's what happened today in the Mojo room. And let me show you what stocks we traded and what the market's doing. The market's up a slimsy 38. It's up like 9 days in a row. I don't know why. What's going on with the stock market. So it's up 1, 2, 3. Did a little sell-off actually, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like every day, it's just like been up like a snail. And then you have stocks that we traded today, RLYP. Now, RLYP, we just bump traded for Eric down here at 825. I bought every single share. He had 1,500 shares. I did a bump trade. He was down $3,000, and I did 20,000 shares. So I took him and 3 other traders in here, and I took it instead of getting auto closed out of your account, because I have a journal, and every time what happens is when you're about to get auto closed, you're about to the platform is about to sell your shares for you. Within 5 minutes, it always goes back up. And I've documented that out of 100 times, over 95 times. So I went in and look, within 5 minutes, look what happened. It's right back at 860. So I took them from a $3,000 loss to a $3,000 profit. And the move on that bar right there from 1825 to 1868. How did I know not to lose my shares right there at 1825? And instead, they were in up here at 1870, right up here. They stayed in that hole. They were going to lose their shares right here. I came in and bumped them, sold them out right here for a profit. Is that what happened, Eric? 9, 11, and 13. Oh, he's not here. He's got a little busy. Let me see who the number 9 is. That's him. Oh, there he is. And number 11 is this guy. Is he in here? I think he's on the bottom. Is that him? One of these guys. Another one. Oh, and there it is, Pamela. Pamela, is that the most shares you've ever had of a stock ever in your life? Could you believe what I did? And I took you from a $3,000 loss to a $3,000 profit. Made $3,000 on that trade. If I would have held some like I should have, but I was too busy, you could have made more. Yep. Did you like that? 20,000 shares. I bought, look, every share right here, right, Pam? I bought every share at stopping station right there instead of losing your stock. And then boom, it went to 68, right? You like that? See? Did it for her, did it for Eric, and I did it for one other guy who I can't find his name in here, but he's in here somewhere. So great job, everybody. We traded VRX today like a champion. VRX made a beautiful move this morning from here to here. Traded it, and we bought it. It was just amazing. Amazing trading. That's how everyone made their money today. Did anyone have VRX from yesterday that went into the thing? So I'm sitting here last night, right, in after hours. There's been a lot of great after hours trading. Okay, you weren't in my day trading room yesterday, but thank you, Mr. Dizzle, Whizzle Dizzle. So check it out. I'm sitting here. Awesome, awesome. Here's the June 7th. Thanks for sharing. So check it out. I'm sitting here, and I'm like, got some shares of VRX, and I go right here to my Yahoo Finance. And I'm like, you know what? Let's just close. It's trading right at 27 even. And I'm just watching it. And then I'm like, you know, wouldn't that be cool? I'm like, is today the day that, no, we have another day before the holiday. So actually, you know, maybe I'll hold some. What if news came out? You know, it's base and looks real good today. And what if news came out and the stock jumped like $2? I'd make like, you know, 10 grand. That would be unbelievable. And then all of a sudden, the stock started to jump. So I had bought more, 27. And then within a minute, it jumped 2 points. Check it out. So VRX yesterday, right here in the after hours, whoops, went from 27.08 to 29.11, and I sold up in here over 29. I couldn't believe it. And then after that, news came out. After that they got, I'm sitting here, I can't believe it. I'm like, oh my gosh, you do like a prayer saying, you know, imagine if it went up 2 points, and the thing went up 2 points. It was unbelievable. Right here. After explaining a simple cup and handle, which I did to the room, I like the chart pattern. At 27, the stock just took off. This is called a cup and handle formation. Right here, 4 points. That was nerve, the nerve of that stock. And that's it. We traded it in trading all day long. VRX, after hours trading, hiding orders in the level 2. Here's my trading on it right here. $7,565. The YouTube video is no longer there because it revealed some email addresses that were private, and I decided to delete it. So this is no longer there. What I was doing was, look, hey, I bought right here and I sold it right here. Come to my day trading room. I'm the best. I can draw an arrow on a chart. That's what everyone else does. So I decided to make this video to prove it. That how did I really do that? And that's what I did. I made a video, one of the best after hours trades I've ever done. And about 100 people viewed the video, so I deleted it. Because it revealed the email addresses of some of the people. And Valiant rejected a takeover bid from this company, and that's why the stock jumped and took off. It's amazing. It was amazing. So we have a couple of other stocks. We have the CUR. It's just chilling. Hasn't really done anything. Nerve has no nerve today. JDST, I missed one in the room. Unfortunately, what happens is I was in UVXY, VRX, and RLYP, and one of the traders called this out in the room right here to go through $21, and I missed like a huge move on it. Let me show you. So I missed this huge move on the stock and right through $22. It went up a whole dollar. And I did the same thing on Nugget. The guy's like, I'm going to play this thing back for a run because of some meeting right here. And I'm like looking at it and I'm like, you know, if I call it out here to the room and it's wrong, the guy who gave it to me is going to get thrown under the bus. No one's going to like him. And he took a desperate situation to throw out a pick and he was wrong. And if Alan bought it and he lost, he'd be really pissed because he only likes to do my picks. And I've journaled in my journal when I give out another pick, my last 10 picks that I've given out from other people, we've lost 8 times. We've only won 2 times. So on those notes, I don't like to take picks from other people. I like other people to help me with the picks that I'm in, like UVXY telling me, look, volume spiking, the Dow's dropping, this is happening, VRX, ROYP is going through 19, check it out. What we're currently trading. Not things like, oh, check out JDST, because even if I like it, I can't buy it. I can't, even if I liked it, I couldn't buy it. Okay? So that's the deal with the picks in the Mojo room. I appreciate good stock chatter, and I'll take a look at any of the picks that you give me, especially if they're near Hines, but I'm not going to be able to act on them. If it's an exceptional one near Hines, I will do it, but otherwise, I'm probably mostly going to pass on it because I can't do picks from other people in the room. And that's it. So Pro Trader Mike is going to be done with the show today. We're cutting out early. The reason is I'm going to have lunch with he's gone already, Pro Trader Allen, meeting him at Houston's. They got the best spinach dip. Then I'm going to have the salad. Then I'm going to have the prime ribs steak sandwich, the prime French dip with the au jus, with the coleslaw. Who's ever's eaten at Houston's, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Your mouth is watering right now as I speak. So with that said, we are definitely...
Yes!
Oh, who's back?
Yeah, baby.
Oh, you're all back.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Well, yes.
We're going to exit out of here. We're going to roll on the river. Everyone have a good weekend. Happy Memorial Day weekend. We are closed on Monday, so I will see you on Tuesday for another great week and ending to a fantastic month. Thank you. Peace. Nice, everybody. Peace. Have a good weekend. We're done. 11:30, 11 o'clock. We're done. This is a business. Keep it going great. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Take care. Good fishing, Wally boy. Good golf and everyone else. Peace.